You are probably familiar with data bars in the desktop version of Excel. They are a great way to visualize your data. However, no such feature is available in the mobile version of Excel for Android. Here's how you can use an old trick to create custom data bars in Excel for Android. For demonstrational purposes, let's assume that you have a list of grades. You want to create data bars based on each student's grade. We will use the REPT function to do it, which is available in the mobile version of Excel. Go to the column next to the one that contains the grades. Now, in the first row enter equals REPT, and inside the parentheses, as the function's first argument, type the vertical bar symbol. In the second argument, that defines the number of times that you want the vertical bar sign to be repeated, select the cell that contains the grade. As you can see, now you have a row of vertical bars that don't really look like a data bar. Now go to Home, Font, and select the font Britannic Bold to create a solid data bar. You are almost set. Then drag the pointer on the right all the way down to copy the formula to the other cells. Now you have a compact way to visualize your data in the mobile version of Excel for Android. Obviously, this trick can be used with any data that you would like to visualize. Thanks for watching.